Just weeks ago, James Corden was the talk of Britain alongside Ruth Jones as audiences settled in for the final ever episode of Gavin and Stacey. But rather than jetting back to Hollywood after his sitcom success, James has instead chosen to undertake a quirkier new role. The actor has been secretly starring a new West End performance of the stage show, You Me Bum Bum Train. The immersive phenomenon takes place in a secret location in central London, and the contents of the show are kept secret too, to ensure audience members are completely surprised. When they go, You Me Bum Bum Train's team is made up entirely of volunteers, and a string of A-listers have taken part, with James the latest to sign on to act for free. After first watching the show, which has triggered panic attacks in audience members 8 years during its last run, James is said to have been desperate to take part himself. Speaking to The Sun, a source said James had been to see the show 8 years ago when it was in London before, so when he saw it was back, he wanted to take in the madness himself. All actors in the play volunteer for free, regardless if you are an A-lister or have done little more than attended drama class at school. The whole thing is shrouded in secrecy and no one is meant to talk about what goes on, but some of the biggest names in the world have taken part. Guests are said to have been shocked when confronted with James in one of the roles, but the rules of the show meant they could not address his appearance. The sources has contacted representatives for James for comment. The news come week amid James' professional success recently thanks to the final ever episode of Gavin and Stacey. His BBC comedy co-created with Ruth Jones was met with rave reviews and fan adoration when it aired its hugely anticipated finale on Christmas Day. After the episode aired, James shared a slew of behind-the-scenes snaps from Gavin and Stacey final episode to Instagram on Boxing Day. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.